Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. Today we are diving into the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G 2026, and trust me, this mid-range gem could be a game changer. We'll talk specs, leaks, and why it might just redefine expectations for affordable flagship level phones. Let's jump in. According to reports, the Galaxy A57 5G is expected to launch around January or February 2026. Next-gen Qualcomm-powered performance. It's tipped to feature the brand new Exynos 1680 chipset, codenamed Terra, model Season 5, Episode 8865, built on a 4nm process. Uses a 1 plus 4 plus 3 CPU core setup, delivering significantly improved power efficiency and performance. Benchmarks suggest a 22% boost in multi-core performance over its predecessor, the Exynos 6080. The Exynos 550 GPU, based on AMD's RDNA 3.5 architecture, doubles the graphics performance, enabling smooth 60 FPS gaming in Full HD and even ray tracing features. A 6.7 Super AMOLED LTPO 3.0 display is expected, offering adaptive refresh rates 10 to 120 Hz and blistering peak brightness up to 1900 nits. Likely IP67 rated, ensuring water and dust resistance up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. A hallmark of mid-range durability. Options of up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage have been mentioned. Great flexibility for power users. The battery stays at a solid 5000 mAh, now paired with 65W fast charging, capable of a full charge in around 42 minutes. Massive upgrades are rumored of 108 megapixels ISOCELL HM6 main sensor, promising sharper and detailed shots. Expect advanced AI features like real-time translations, object removal in videos, and contextual gesture-based search. Ships with the latest Android 16 and One UI 8 out of the box. Best of all, Samsung is expected to back it with a staggering 7 years of OS and security updates, even in mid-range A series. So there you go, the Galaxy A57 5G could be the mid-range king of 2026, with flagship grade performance, serious software support, and a standout display. What do you think? Are you excited? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech deep dives.